Hi everyone, it's Stitchy Witch here, and I'm just about to try and do some backstitch on my design. The one I'm working on at the moment is Gracious Era by Maley, and it's one of my favourites. I really love this Victorian scene. It's something I really enjoy doing. So I haven't actually got that far. I've only done the middle section, but I've managed to stitch the whole umbrella, and I want to do some backstitch around that. So I'm going to try and attempt that now and see how it goes, because I'm really not that good at backstitch, but let's just see how it goes. So I am now backstitching, and I'm just coming up to the top of my umbrella here. So I'm just trying to decide whether I want to do long strokes or whether I'm going to do shorter strokes. I think it actually does make a difference, or at least it can depend on whether you want long stitches or short stitches. So let's see how this goes. I think long strokes is the only way I can do it actually. If not, I'm going to have to go through a middle of a stitch, which seems a little awkward. So maybe if I pull that thread a little bit tighter and do the bottom of this part. Yeah, these are quite long strokes that I'm doing here, so I'm a bit nervous about them. I'm not sure that I'm entirely... Why don't you go through? Entirely happy with my long strokes. I'm going to see how the end result looks and then decide from there. And it's amazing how quickly... No, I think that's just too long. I'm going to try here. I'm going to cut that one in half, because I don't like such a long thread. I didn't like that long thread either, but hey, I think that's better. Maybe a little short one here, or I can look at the chart and go down again, and it's actually going over these white bits, which I don't understand. I don't know why it's going above these cream ones when really... Okay, that's too long again. Oh, strife. Let's try up here. Get down to here. And I'm probably going to have to rethread this now. And let's see where the next hole is. I think it's here. We just go down to the bottom. Now that looks to me like it's not going over the edge of the umbrella, but it's definitely not going over the edge of the black on the chart. So I'm guessing this is too small to really notice. Anyway, that's how it's got to be. So this last stitch is this one. Maybe I'm not looking at it in the correct light. Maybe when I see it in the correct light, it'll look completely different. And we're going 3 stitches into here. And I think I have to do a rethreading. Something about this backstitching makes me so nervous. I can't tell you how nervous it makes me. So now I'm going to have to rethread my needle, or I won't be able to carry on. So my next line, my next stitch is going down this way. And you know what? I can't even see where the last point of my black stitch is there. But anyway, you know, stuff it. I'm just going to go down. Goodness me, this is awkward. Why did I sign up for this? Okay, so let's just go for it. That line, that back stitch isn't going to matter too much because it's on over the black. Then I'm going back to this point. I'm not liking this, and very brave of me to do it on camera as well, I think. And then we're going 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches across, I think it is, and then back stitch again. So not looking too bad. And then it's just a straight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Dun, 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 dun. Getting somewhere. There. Now please be good. And where did I hit the last one? I think it was there. Oh no, wait. There. Cool, that's not too bad. Then we're going downwards again. Now I'm here. This is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be honest. If anybody's done this umbrella and can tell me that they survived, I would really be appreciative of hearing of your success. And the bottom of my stitch is there. Goodness me, that was so awkward. I feel like I've run a marathon. So anyway, that's how it's done, and I hope I didn't put you off with that demonstration. It certainly was testing, but just goes to show that people who do lots of backstitch, they probably get a lot more practice than I've had, and they're probably better at actually counting where they're actually going. They're probably faster, or they're just winging it, whichever way. I admire you. So thankfully there's not going to be much more backstitch left to do on this area here. So yes, what I've learned today is that it's really hard to backstitch over black thread over black stitches. Practically impossible, and really why bother, because I don't think you can actually see it. Maybe here on the edges it's fine, but when it comes to backstitching on top of the actual black stitches, I don't really see that it's going to make a lot of difference. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you can catch it in a different light. But anyway, that's turned out not too badly, and I'm pretty pleased that I've got something done today.